Good morning, everybody. We are going to start our Edge Weekly recap, and we will go over the markets first. They were down for the week. December corn was down 15 cents, and November 2022 soybeans are down 30 cents. We are now tracking the 2022 soybean November contract. First, to go over soybeans, they closed the week at 12.10. Fairly neutral outlook on this market. They began the week by rallying to 12.49, and they were rejected at that level and sold off to support at 12.06. Essentially what happened was the spec funds reduced their risk before next week's November WASDE report. The results of that report will have a large effect on what price does moving forward. So we could probably expect pretty light trading until Tuesday at 11 a.m. and then the fireworks may start depending on what the USDA releases. We are trading below the major moving averages again on this market, but spec funds still have support in this in the market. They're still net long 43,000 contracts. Moving on to corn, we closed the week at 5.53 support. I am neutral and sort of bullish on the market still. We are still trading above all major moving averages, and spec funds are still heavily long at 318,000 contracts. We rallied to about 586 this past week and sold off just like soybeans did as the spec funds reduced money or exposure into the report next week. The near-term resistance is at 578. If we want to keep this leg going up, I'd really like to see a close above that level. Support is at 553 where we closed. And next supports below that are at 537 and $5.16. Again, whatever comes out of the WASDE report on Tuesday will have a large effect on price, and we will just have to wait to see what happens until then. Moving on to harvest progress, not a lot was made the past week. Corn nationwide is at 74%, and soybeans were at 79%. Did see a few guys start getting out this week. Wednesday and Thursday, there were a few, and yesterday on Friday, saw quite a bit of combines out there. So hopefully everybody can keep moving, and hopefully the weather stays dry until we can get this crop taken out. Harvest price discovery was finished on Monday. The RMA released the official guarantees, and that is $5.37 a bushel on corn and $12.30 per bushel on soybeans. Again, claims will be to yield loss only, and they will be paid at those prices per bushel per acre if you have a loss below your deductible. And in general news, chemical prices, some were released on November 1st for generics. So generic Liberty, which is glufosinate, I saw a quote come out at $99 per gallon, and generic Roundup glyphosate came out at $48 a gallon. These have gone up significantly the past year. I remember last year, some at $38 a gallon in the summer, and in the springtime it was even cheaper than that. So supply chain has really been affected, and I know fertilizer prices have gone up significantly as well. So may be worth considering locking something in. We'll just have to keep watching what happens in this market. Thank you for listening this week. Hope everybody can get back out in the fields and get the rest of the crop taken out before we get any more rain. But if you have any questions or comments, please reach out to Larry, Susan, or I, and we hope you have a great weekend. Thanks.